Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Today we are discussing about human endocrine system. Endocrine system or the study of endocrine system. The study of endocrine system is called as endocrinology. Endocrinology means the study of endocrine system is called as endocrinology. All the organisms are both nervous and endocrine system. So these both systems are coordinated the body metabolic activities and also other functions. Endocrine system contains different types of glands. These glands are made up of special tissue or cells. These cells are secretes hormones. Glands are divided into two types. Mainly glands are divided into two types. First one is endocrine glands, and second one is exocrine gland. So endocrine glands are ductless glands, and then next to exocrine glands means duct glands. Okay, so then next to ductless glands secretes hormones. And duct glands secretes enzymes. So these two are chemical substances. But different chemical substances. So these enzymes are catalyst. Endocrine system in human body contains, or human body is divided into three parts. First one is head region. And second one is neck region, and third one is abdominal region. So human body is divided into three parts. First one is head region, and second one is neck region, and third one is abdominal region. So these three regions endocrine glands are located. Endocrine glands are located in this three region. In this first, in head region pituitary gland and pineal gland and hypothalamus is present. So these three glands are present in the head region. Then next to neck region. In neck region, thyroid and parathyroid. Parathyroid glands are located in the neck region. Then next to abdominal region. In abdominal region, thymus. Thymus gland, adrenal, pancreas and gonads. So these four are located in the abdominal region. So thymus, adrenal, pancreas and gonadal. So in males testis, and in females ovaries are present. Okay, so these total endocrine glands are present in the human endocrine system or human body. In this pituitary gland, So pituitary gland is a master gland of the endocrine system. Then next to thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a largest or biggest gland of endocrine system. So total these endocrine system or endocrine glands are secretes different types of hormones. So hormones are chemical substances. So these chemical substances are proteins. In this first, hormones are all hormones are amino acids. All hormones are made up of amino acids or proteins. So all hormones are proteins, but all proteins are not hormones. Okay, catch the point. First, all hormones are made up of amino acids, so all hormones are proteins, but all proteins are not. Okay, so this is the introduction of the endocrine system.